Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everybody. My name is Kunisa Najron. I'm representing my team, which are Ari Suryawan, Arif Wiyat Purnanto, Muhammad Gofir Ismail, and Imam Sugiono. We are from PGSD, FKIP Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang. I would like to share what we went through during our research. The title is Development of Edukasi, Interactive Learning Media on ASEAN Material. Okay. At the first, we know that PISA has been released, the result of PISA in 2022, which are uh, contain three result of research. At the first in reading, math, and science. We know that Indonesia has never been in the top tier of the result, and it is happened again in 2022 because from 81 countries, Indonesia in 70 in the 75 in reading, in math in 73rd, and in science in 71, which is not really good result, right? And the second one, we know that when we focus in reading skill, in Indonesia, in position to 75th from 81 countries, it shows that the reading skill of student in Indonesia not really good. Um, that's why we should know deeply about reading. Um, Stephanie said in 2022, a student who have good reading skills show higher achievement than those who are less. It shows that reading is really, really important because when we get a good reading skills, it probably increase the possibility to get higher achievement in education. And Boissonneau, Lemaitre, Herbert, Defoe, Morris Geyser add some insight. Reading proficiency depends on an interaction process that impacts the left inferior parietal lobule and posterior accurate fasciculus. It shows that reading the proficiency uh, can be stimulated by something that has a interaction. Probably it can be a model, uh, learning model, or learning media. Nah, there are few research that shows that uh, Indonesia in several places got a really bad score or result in learning. Uh, it is in the one uh, in 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 the circumstances that the material is white. One of the white materials in elementary school is ASEAN. Purwanti said in 2023, in several places it was found that the learning results of ASEAN material were unsatisfactory. It means that ASEAN, one of the material that has a wide point that students should learn. Okay, from that situation, we know that reading skills of student in Indonesia has bad score, has bad result, and then we know that one of the way we can stimulate the reading proficiency of student with something that has interaction in it. And then the solution is we call it good education. What is good education? What the good education is a learning media actually. Padang and Sitapu said that a learning media is an important part of the learning process because it facilitates student and teachers, increases student motivation, and makes the subject matter clearer. It means that if we focus on developing learning media that has interactivity, probably it can solve the problem of reading. And also, ideally, Bali 2021 said that ideally, a media contains elements of flexibility, interactivity, speed, and good visualization to make it easier for students to formulate solution to the problem. Bali said that we can put several things that if it containing that thing, probably the learning media can 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 big can give a big impact to student result. Okay, the method of our research is this one. We use R&D with the ADDIE model. The first is we can analyze, and then we design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Okay, in the first stage, in analysis, we identification all about the ASEAN method because we knew that in earlier that ASEAN has a wide material or a wide point. And the second stage in design, we carry out formulating the required media framework. We make the framework and how the media can be designed. The third stage is development. We are making the media based on what we have made in the framework. And in the fourth stage, we implementing stage of implementation of limited trials. We make trials in very limited situation. The trial is are two places. At the first place, on the elementary school teachers candidates totaling 76 people that determine the effectiveness and meaningfulness of the media. And the second one in elementary school students totaling 17 students to see aspects of interesting and easy to understand. The second, the both they both on the both situation, we give them a questionnaire to see the meaningfulness, effectiveness, and then the easy to understand uh, and about the interestingness. And the last stage is evaluation, where the result of the questionnaire are we analyze it as a descriptively. Okay, and then the result we meet is like this. At the first and the second place that we got the result from teacher for elementary school student. This is when the meaningfulness, just 3% of them said that is less meaningful, but in the 7 and 53% said that good, and 44% said it excellent. The media is excellent. And the second one about effectiveness, bad 0, 5% said it less, 36% said that it good, and 59% it said that it is excellent. And the third and the fourth position, that the questionnaire from student in the category is of understanding. 53% said that it's good, but and then 47% said that the media is excellent. And about attractiveness, 18% they said it is good, and 82% said it is excellent. The result actually made us quite happy, because it shows that it got a good response from all the respondents. And what we found about the situation is Godukasi is actually can can enhance learner motivation and participation, because it's game style learning. It's it's suitable with what Major Andy Da Silva said, that if something game style or gamification can enhance the learner motivation and participation, which is has to do with meaningfulness. And the second one is media Gudukasi can be effective learning media, because such as interactive learning media design using Macromedia Flash can increase student mastery learning by up to 20%, and improve student learning outcomes through tests by the Vega and friends. It's suitable with what we found, that when we talk about effectiveness, they say that it is very effective to deliver the materials, especially the white materials like ASEAN. In the third multimedia instruction like Godukasi, which is combining verbal and visual explanation, leads to offer 75% more creative solution on problem solving transfer test compared to the single representation instruction. We can see from this that interactive media, or the media that has a visual explanation with and verbal visual and verbal uh, uh, has a probability to increase the learning result of a student. And lastly, media that has characteristic like Godukasi has such as a technology, symbol system, processing capabilities, interact with learner, and task characteristic to influence mental representation structure and cognitive processes. It shows that the media Godukasi has all the thing that make the probability uh, increase the cognitive processes in student has increased the cognitive process in student in every single student. So now I would like before I go to the conclusion, I would like to show you how our media is. Okay, this is the Godukasi learning media. And the first thing that we should do is log in first. We put our name in. When we log in, this is our profile. We click go. It contains four information, and the first information is kompetensi inti and kompetensi dasar. Second one is tujuan pembelajaran. The third is the material. The first contain all the information about uh, the ASEAN first, five uh, five members of earliest ASEAN. And the second one is there's ASEAN map. It contains all the flags of ASEAN members. When we click it, the information comes up. Okay. And lastly, we go to quiz. Students should answer the question and choose it randomly. And the result shows this is the scores of the student and the advice. Okay, that's all the GoEdukasi learning media. The conclusion of the media that it has uh, effectiveness, meaningfulness, and it's easy to use, and of course it's meaningful for student. Hopefully this the result of this research can give new insight for education in Indonesia or for education of the world. Thanks for everyone who is watching this video. I close. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.